Okay.
Just opened a highball.
All right, we're going to review
Gonna...
a Sunbury highball. Is it beer?
Oh my god. No, it's not.
Okay, kids don't do this.
Isn't Coke? Is it like bourbon?
It's yuck.
Huh?
This, to me, it's not nice, but does it taste like beer and kombucha? Okay, let's next.
Tastes like really watery bourbon.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Okay. All right, next.
Next one.
Next time. That's not nice. Are we going to keep drinking that?
Yeah, of course. I'm going to finish it, and then we'll get another one somewhere else. Try the lemon.
Okay.
Is this 7% alcohol? Like that's